Meet Sarah. She has a list of employee names and wants to create short abbreviations for each name. She starts typing manually. SAR for Sarah, Mick for Michael, Jess for Jessica, one by one. Looks easy at first, but soon she's stuck doing the same thing for dozens of names. Slow, tiring, and full of typing errors. Now let's see how the pro does it. With just one Excel formula, in the next column she types equals left, B2 to B14, 3. Boom! Excel instantly gives the 3 letters of the names. Like SAR, Mike, Jess, all done automatically. She drags the formula down, and all names get their abbreviations in seconds. Manual typing versus formula power? Formula wins every time. Meet Hamza. He's working with a list of dates and wants to know which month each date belongs to in the calendar. So he starts typing manually. March is 3, February is 2, June as 6. Going down the list one by one. Looks simple at first, but soon he's buried under dozens of dates. Slow, confusing, and full of mistakes. Now let's see how the pro does it, using the month formula. In the next column, he types equals month 1 and A2, and instantly, Excel gives the month number for that date. 1 for January, 2 for February, 3 for March. Automatically. He drags the formula down, and all dates are converted into their correct month numbers in seconds. Manual work versus formula magic? Formula wins every time. Work smart with Excel. Let formulas do the thinking for you. I've got an insanely useful Excel trick for you how to automatically create serial numbers in seconds using just one keyboard shortcut. No dragging, no formulas, just pure Excel magic with Alt plus H plus F plus I plus S. All right, let's start with the basics. Say you want serial numbers from 1 to 5,000 going down a column. Click on your starting cell and type 1 there. Now, here comes the shortcut. Hold Alt, then press H, F, I, S, one by one. Boom, the series box appears. Here's what you do. Under Series in, select Columns. Step value stays 1. Stop value become 5,000. Now hit OK, and just like that, Excel fills up all the numbers 1, 2, 3, all the way to 5,000 factorial, no dragging, no copy-paste, just instant numbering. Now let's flip it. What if you want your numbers to go across a row, like 1 to 100? Click on a starting cell and type 1 again. Press Alt plus H plus F plus I plus S again, but this time under Series in, choose rows. Step value 1, stop value 100, and hit OK. And there you go. Excel fills the row perfectly from 1 to 100. Meet Ali, a beginner in Excel. He wants to rank these students based on their scores. He tries to assign ranks one by one, looking at each score and writing ranks himself. Slow, boring, and full of mistakes. By the time he finishes a small list, he's already exhausted. Imagine if he had 100 names. Now let's see how a pro does it, using the rank formula. Rank the value in column C within the whole column C in descending order. And boom, Excel does all the work instantly. The highest score gets rank 1, the next highest gets 2, and so on. No stress, no mistakes. Manual versus formula. Clearly, formula wins every time. So, next time you need ranking, don't struggle like a noob. Just use rank and save hours of work. Ever wondered how to instantly find someone's salary in Excel using just their ID, name, or even department? Today, I'll show you how to do it in multiple ways using one powerful formula, VLOOKUP. And by the end, you'll even learn a bonus trick with if error to make your sheet look clean and professional. Let's get started. Let's start with employee ID. I'll type the ID of the first employee in cell C20. In cell D20, I want Excel to show the salary. So in D20, I will write formula. Here's what each part means. C20, the ID I'm looking for, B3 to F17, the entire data table. 5 is the fifth column in the table, which contains the salary. and false tells Excel to find an exact match. When I press enter, boom, the salary appears instantly. Let's try one more example with another ID. Excel finds it perfectly again. Now, let's do the same thing using employee names. This time, we'll use column C for lookup. In cell C20, I'll type the employee's name, and in D20, the formula changes a little. C20, the ID I'm looking for. C3 to F17, the entire data table. 4, the fifth column in the table, which contains the salary. And false tells Excel to find an exact match. This tells Excel to look for the name in column C and return the salary from the fourth column of this range. Just like that, Excel finds the right salary using the name. If we try another name, it updates automatically. No scrolling or searching needed. Next, let's find salaries using addresses. I'll select column D as the lookup column now. In cell C20, I'll type an address. For example, Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore. And in D20, the formula becomes VLOOKUP C20, data range D3 to F17, 3, false. Excel now looks into the address column and gives the corresponding salary. If I type another address, the salary changes accordingly. Simple and fast. Now let's use the department column. Suppose column E contains departments like HR, IT, and finance. If I want to find the salary for a department, I'll type the formula in which C20, the address I'm looking for, E3 to F17, the target data table, 2, the salary column, and false, tells Excel to find an exact match. Now Excel matches the department and shows the salary. Keep in mind, if multiple people work in the same department, VLOOKUP will show the first match it finds. That's still super useful when your data is sorted department-wise. Sometimes you'll type an address or name that doesn't exist in your list. Normally, Excel shows a nasty NA error. Let's fix that with IF error. I'll edit my formula to this if error C20E3 to F17 2 false 0. Now, if the address is not found, Excel will simply show 0 instead of NA. You can also replace 0 with a custom message, like not found. This makes your Excel sheet look cleaner and more professional. Now let's try something interesting. I'll move the salary column to the left of the ID column. If I try the same VLOOKUP formula again, it won't work. Why? Because VLOOKUP only searches to the right of the lookup column. It can't look to the left. That's one of its biggest limitations. So what can we do? Rearrange your table so that the lookup column, like ID, is always the first one. So there you have it. We used VLOOKUP to find salaries using ID, name, address, and department, learned to handle errors with IF error, and even saw what happens when your column order changes. VLOOKUP may look simple, but it's one of Excel's most powerful time-saving tools.